This is your boy MNTBN. Previously on Akong Life.
This is your boy. This is my last video of this hair because magpatupin ako, guys. Nandiyan akong buhok.
Mushroom.
So we're here at the seaside. Not seaside. I mean in the ano na talaga, beach. We're going to the sea. I hope you see what I see right now. It's so mesmerizing. It's so expensive. Guys, so today nandito na tayo sa penthouse. It's 2 AM. Nakatapos na ng disco-disco na yun. Grabe. Sobrang nakakapagod na. And look at who is this? Puti! Puti! So yan, tulog na si Bali. Ito yung tutulog na natin. Chika na tayo! Yo guys, good morning. It's another day here at Daan Bantayan. At ngayon ay iinom tayo ng Coke. Hi guys, nandito tayo. Guys, nandito tayo sa dagat. Hi guys, we are here at the San Pedro Calungsod House of Spirituality. Bad, dirala ka bad. This is parang retreat house pala dito sa Daan Bantayan. And okay lang din, maganda din siya. Bad, ano yung bad? Oh, Jason Duva. Hi guys! Okay guys, so we're done eating. So it's time for our little friend here, Buddy, to eat his own.
So tapos na po pala kami kumain ni ate. At si kuya na kumuha pa siya ng tubig. So kumuha naman po ng tubig, sisip po yung mga paa. So modern yung duwa nga mong gikadikan guys with my siblings. Magana na kayo to guys and exciting bitaw ka siya. Oh my god! Super love it though. Play. Bakit? Hey guys, so karoon na video mo. Sila. G-boy with his squad.
Nakakakot kami dito doon sila na naligo sila so magalang dito.
Ang kate, grabe. Vlog.
You just wanna make this work. I mean, I listen to you, but you know when I hurt my heart, yeah. Let me guess, you want an apology.
Orgo siya. Hey guys, so kanang medyo boring man dito guys, but then masuyo kita ko magtanong laban naligo sa lagdagat kay kuan man. Naligo naman ko guys. Okay guys, so okay siya pagkakuan kay I don't know this, but ako na kayo. Guys, dito lang po tayo sa mga natapos.
Talaga mag-vlog. Ang daming tao nakatingin sa'yo.
So dahil napaka-boring nga po pala. No, kukuha po ng motor si Kuya Yan tapos mag-joyride kami na hindi po nagpapaalam sa parents namin at saka kang kuya dahil dinala namin yung camera niya. Manang hit gimme guys, no, bahala di misugtan basta manang hit me kay shit, right? Hi buds. Such an amazing, awesome dog. So, gisugtan dahil mismo ang mama guys, pero minan ang hit din akong papa kay sa van niya. Bahala lang igalagot at nagnaong always, but my mom is so like, you know, Supportive mom.
Nana siya ito ka na, sige.
Supportive mom.
Huwag siya nangutan ako sa ipa doon, nana siya, sige.
Guys, and we're still waiting for the sunset to come at ita-timelapse natin kasi naka-charge ang camera ko! What are you waiting? 1, 2, 3! Tingnan nyo. Yes. Puro ba yung lubot? Mama kayo lubot? Si Jukil lubot, magulong ako na lubot daw yung naglakaw ay video hero ko.
So kanina pa ba nag-take over po tayo mga pa. Tapos dali. Nung sige mo ka nagmapa. Uy, di ba ko big fan ko?
Let's do a cinematic and 1, 2, 3, go! So here we go again with the sunset for the second time. And I know, this is crazy nga. Sige, may gari diri sa baybayon for basta makarimi sa daan bantayan because it's just really relaxing. I just don't wanna, I wanted all the people to see this one. It's so beautiful. Like, look at this one. Who can resist? Who can resist the beautiful sunset? Hi guys, it's currently 2 a.m. and we're going home to Carmen. It's raining. I'm sleeping. Hi guys. I think this is the worst trip we ever had. Ang sumula na naman po. Hey guys, this is a boy. We're here at the house, and everybody has sleeping now. So I'm just gonna get sleepy. So Sel. Yo guys, I'm officially enrolled na sa school namin at ngayon nandito kami sa Danao para mag-ukay-ukay with my Nindot tinik. Going to find some bags for Rosel. Yay! That's our That's our mission for today. Muna ito ka-creep.